Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? I hope everybody is doing great. So today we are going to study about the concept of test, measurement, evaluation and assessment. So let's get started. Let's see what is test. Test, a tool or an instrument, the method to determine students' ability to complete a task, demonstrate mastery of skill or knowledge of content. Example, weekly test, essay test, etc. टेस्ट क्या होता है? एक टूल होता है, एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट होता है थ्रू विच वी असेस द नॉलेज ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स, राइट? Let's see what is measurement. Measurement refers to the systematic description of students performance in terms of numbers. किसी भी टेस्ट के अंदर, किसी भी असेसमेंट के अंदर जो है, हम अगर नंबर्स ऐड कर दें उसको हम बोलेंगे मेजरमेंट. वेन एवर यू एसोसिएट नंबर्स टू एनी असेसमेंट इट इज़ नोन एज मेजरमेंट. नाउ वी नीड टू क्लियर concept what is assessment. Let's see what is assessment. Assessment, it is a process of collecting and interpreting information about learning and teaching as it occurs in a classroom for the purpose of making decisions that improves opportunities for learning. Test and measurements are the subset of assessment. Assessment क्या होता है? Assessment में, in the simple words, the data we have collected of all over the term. पूरा जो हम लोगों ने वर्कशीट्स करवाई हैं, हमने टेस्ट लिए हैं छोटे मोटे, हमने एक्टिविटीज़ करवाई हैं टर्म 1 और 2 में, जितना भी हमने पढ़ाया है, जो भी हमने सब कुछ करवाया है, उसका जो पूरा डाटा होता है वो हम कलेक्ट करते हैं. एंड समटाइम्स वी do the measurement and assessment, and sometimes we don't, because you have seen in grade 1s and 2s, and many schools don't prefer the measurement. They just said that we need to give the remarks to the students, so then students will not feel shy or something like that if they don't perform really well. Okay, now let's see what is evaluation. Judgment, the process of making valuable judgment about the worth of students performance. जो वो प्रोसेस जिसमें जो है हम लोग जजमेंट करें, जजमेंट कौन सी बेसिस के ऊपर हम लोग करें? पास एंड फेल के ऊपर. जो है, अगर वो प्रोसेस जिसमें हम लोग पास और फेल के ऊपर जजमेंट करें, उसको हम बोलते हैं इन द सिंपल वर्ड्स evaluation, right? For example, not example, testing, measurement and assessment are the subset parts of evaluation. टेस्टिंग, मेजरमेंट और असेसमेंट जो हैं वो किसके अंडर आते हैं? वो आते हैं evaluation के अंडर. बिकॉज first you have assess the student's knowledge, okay, then you, for example, took the assessment, सही है, on the basis of marks, ठीक है, and the one who got the highest marks, they have passed that test, or the one who don't get, they have not passed that. Okay, so yeah, that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you haven't understand any concept, then you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much for your attention. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.